Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync multiple clips in Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. So as you can see, I have some clips in the timeline. So I am going to add some audios as well. These are external sources. So now you have to select the video audio here, then right click on it and just simply tap on the synchronize and click on OK. This works for the most part of most people. However, if you have here, let's check this out here, it will sync up perfectly. However, if you have a large project with hundreds of videos and hours of footage, this becomes very tedious. So delete everything, create a separate folder, and then you can copy everything, drop it in that folder, audios and videos as well. Now highlight everything in the folder, right click on it and click on this create multicam. Make sure audio is selected and then you are good to go. Simple as that. Now you can just drag them all in your timeline and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to sync multiple clips in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.